Hi everyone, I'm here to share my final reflection on the ADDIE process in my instructional design project. So I do feel as though I was successful in meeting the outcomes of ADDIE. I think that if I were to complete this project on my own without continuous feedback, I would not have been as successful in meeting these outcomes. I think that the most difficult part of all of this for me was developing the new technology pieces as well as the instructional design theory. The original model I created was not uniform. I was teaching two pieces in a very different format. I did not think much of this during the time, but once feedback was received, I realized how unbalanced it was. I'm entirely grateful for the peer feedback as well as the student participation. The students' input helped me create the evaluation pieces as well as the entire project. Their thorough analysis of the module as well as the willingness to engage and participate gave my module the necessary framework for meeting the learner's needs. I feel as though my learning has been greatly enhanced, especially in the analysis and design process. I like the collaboration components amongst the learners and my colleagues. Many individuals in this course seem to have a good understanding or professional experience with instructional design, so it was helpful for me to gain their feedback and their insight. Furthermore, framing my project by the learning outcomes and constantly going back to make sure that these outcomes were met were imperative. Having one project to complete as part of the semester made me detail-oriented, and I thought it was very, very helpful to keep comparing back to seeing if the learning outcomes were met, getting feedback from you as my peers, as well as the student participants, and of course Jessica. So I definitely intend to carry out some of these methods and tools we use in the course for further training and education. I think the ADDIE model is great because it helps you as your project is constantly changing and you get new feedback. You are able to gain new perspectives and adapt your design to fit the instructional and learning needs of the audience. Furthermore, I've learned that the evaluation process is crucial. I like the idea of not only gaining participant feedback in the content of the module, but the overall likability of it seems to be very important to me, as I mentioned in the evaluation piece. It is important to me that the learners find the training engaging, effective, and interesting as well. Then they're more likely to want to complete the process as a student learner here at my organization if the initial module is interesting. So I hope to do more about the evaluation piece. I hope to learn more as I expand my knowledge of instructional design. I think that I have a good start on how to evaluate a module of the size that I created. However, I'm already devising plans for implementing evaluations in other trainings because I found out, obviously, it is so much more than a survey that just evaluates the instructor in the course. So thank you for everyone for your feedback throughout the semester and all your input. I really look forward to learning with all of you, and hopefully I'll see you in other classes. Thank you.